Lesson: Unsupervised learning, clustering and association methods. Unsupervised learning is a crucial aspect of machine learning that deals with datasets without predefined labels or categories. Unlike supervised learning, which relies on labeled data to train models, unsupervised learning seeks to uncover hidden structures and patterns in data. Two primary methods under this paradigm are clustering and association, both of which offer unique insights and applications for various industries. Clustering involves grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group are more similar than those in other groups. This technique is particularly useful in situations where pattern recognition and data categorization are essential. One of the most common clustering algorithms is k-means clustering, which partitions data into k distinct clusters based on feature similarity. The process begins by initializing k centroids randomly, then iteratively assigns each data point to the nearest centroid, recalculating the centroids as necessary until convergence is achieved. The practicality of k-means is evident in its application across various domains, such as market segmentation, where businesses can categorize customers based on purchasing behavior, thus enabling targeted marketing strategies. To implement k-means clustering, data scientists often turn to libraries such as scikit-learn in Python. Scikit-learn provides a simple yet powerful interface for applying k-means. By using the k-means class, professionals can specify the number of clusters and fit the model to their data with minimal code. This ease of use allows for quick experimentation and iteration, essential qualities in the fast-paced world of data science. However, a challenge with k-means is determining the optimal number of clusters. The elbow method, which involves plotting the explained variance as a function of the number of clusters, helps identify the point where adding more clusters yields diminishing returns. Another clustering technique, hierarchical clustering, builds a tree-like structure of nested clusters. This method is advantageous when the data's inherent hierarchy is unknown. Hierarchical clustering can be either agglomerative or divisive, with the former starting with individual points and merging them into larger clusters, and the latter starting with the entire dataset and splitting it into smaller clusters. The dendrogram, a tree diagram that represents the nested cluster structure, is a powerful tool for visualizing hierarchical clustering outcomes. SciPy, a Python library for scientific and technical computing, provides robust functions for hierarchical clustering, enabling professionals to visualize and interpret complex data relationships efficiently. Association methods, on the other hand, aim to discover interesting relationships between variables in large databases. The most famous algorithm in this category is the a priori algorithm, which identifies frequent item sets and generates association rules. This method is particularly beneficial for market basket analysis, enabling retailers to understand product purchasing patterns and optimize inventory management. For instance, if an analysis reveals that customers who buy diapers often purchase baby wipes, the retailer can strategically position these products together to boost sales. Implementing the a priori algorithm can be efficiently done using the a priori library in Python. This library allows professionals to extract frequent item sets and generate association rules with minimal effort. However, association rule mining is computationally intensive, especially with large datasets, as it involves examining every possible combination of items. Thus, incorporating parallel computing frameworks like Apache Spark can significantly enhance performance by distributing the workload across multiple nodes. The effectiveness of these unsupervised learning techniques is evident in numerous real-world applications. In healthcare, clustering techniques have been used to identify patient subgroups based on clinical data, enabling personalized treatment plans that improve patient outcomes. Similarly, in finance, association methods help detect fraudulent transactions by identifying unusual patterns in transaction data, contributing to enhanced security measures and reduced financial losses. Despite their advantages, unsupervised learning methods have limitations. Clustering results can be sensitive to the choice of distance metrics and initialization conditions, leading to different outcomes with the same data. Additionally, association rules may generate a vast number of rules, many of which might be irrelevant or redundant, making it challenging to focus on the most impactful insights. Addressing these challenges requires a deep understanding of the dataset and domain-specific knowledge to fine-tune algorithms and interpret results effectively. The integration of unsupervised learning with other machine learning techniques can further enhance its capabilities. For example, combining clustering with supervised learning can improve classification tasks by first grouping similar instances and then applying a classifier to each group, leading to more accurate predictions. Moreover, advancements in deep learning have led to the development of autoencoders, a type of neural network used for unsupervised learning tasks such as dimensionality reduction and anomaly detection. Autoencoders learn efficient representations of data, capturing intricate structures that traditional methods may overlook. In conclusion, unsupervised learning through clustering and association methods offers powerful tools for uncovering hidden patterns and relationships in data. By leveraging frameworks like scikit-learn and SciPy for clustering and Apiori and Apache Spark for association mining, professionals can address diverse challenges across industries. While these methods present certain limitations, their integration with other machine learning techniques and advancements in deep learning continue to expand their applicability and effectiveness. As the field of data science evolves, mastering unsupervised learning techniques will remain essential for extracting actionable insights and driving informed decision-making.